Hi kids, let's play a game today. The game name is What Am I? You will hear some sentences. Each sentence will give you a hint. After you hear the hint, you may know the answer of What am I? So let's get started. I am a bird. I can imitate human speech. I have colorful feathers. What am I? You guessed it right, kids. It's parrot. I am round. I am yellow. I am hot. What am I? Yes, it's sun. I have a long neck. I like to eat leaves. I am the tallest animal on land. What am I? You are right, children. It's giraffe. I am a vegetable. I am known for improving eyesight. I am orange in color. What am I? You are right, kids. It's carrot. I am a vehicle. I have 2 wheels. I am ridden by pedaling. What am I? You are right, children. It's bicycle. I am a flower. I am red in color. I am given as a symbol of love. What am I? You guessed it right, children. It's rose. I have a shell on my back. I move slowly. I carry my home with me wherever I go. What am I? You are right, children. It's turtle. Thank you. For more such content, like, subscribe and share.